In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Bank of America bank activity to a CSV file in 2025. Managing your finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, but having your bank transactions at your fingertips in a downloadable format can truly make a difference. Whether you're tracking your spending, budgeting, or preparing for tax season, being able to access this information in a CSV file gives you flexibility and control. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to access your Bank of America account. You can do this by launching the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone or by visiting bankofamerica.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, go ahead and sign in with your established username and password. This step is essential as it secures your data and ensures you can access your financial information. After signing in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your accounts. From this dashboard, locate and select the specific account from which you wish to download your transactions. This could be your checking account, savings account, or any other account you hold with Bank of America. After selecting the account, it's time to go to the Activity or Statements and Documents section. This section is where all the transaction details are stored, allowing you to view your account's activity history. With the activity window open, you'll have the option to select a date range or choose a particular statement period you'd like to download. It's a good practice to carefully select the time frame that you require. Doing so will ensure that you get all necessary transactions and avoid missing any important data. Once you've set the date range, look for the download or export button. Clicking or tapping on this button will lead you to your file format options. Here, select CSV as the desired format for your download. CSV is a versatile format that can be opened in various spreadsheet applications like Excel and Google Sheets, making it an excellent choice for many users. After selecting the CSV format, tap or click Download. Your bank activity file will now be saved directly to your device, usually in your designated Downloads folder. You can easily open this file with your choice of spreadsheet software to sort, filter, or perform any analysis you may need. Finally, if you plan to share or upload this file, maybe into QuickBooks for accounting or some tax software, be sure to locate it in your Downloads folder and proceed as needed. Having your data well organized ensures a smoother financial planning process. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Bank of America bank activity to a CSV file. This process not only gives you the flexibility to view your financial transactions, but also empowers you to take control of your financial planning. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.